Our 4-year-old mahogany trees, planted around 2021. We brought them to the farm around March, and then few weeks later, gitanom ra pud siya. Could have been taller if nalimpyuhan sige, but this was one of the first batches, so we don't know much yet about it. So that's why the other batches in the late years 2022 and 23 are taller than the first batch.